feeling alright. Hope you're feeling just good. I can make your night. Come on baby, what's good, what's good? Hope you're feeling alright. Hope you're feeling just good. I can make your night. Come on baby, what's good, what's good? West Coast got me feeling some type of way. The way the sun shines most of the day. Sunny D with me, I can't complain, cause every day I want you in the worst way. I don't even care what my friends say, even though you treat me in the worst way. I don't even care what your friends say, cause you know you want me all day, feeling alright. Hope you're feeling just good. I can make your night. Come on baby, what's good, what's good? Hope you're feeling alright. Hope you're feeling just good. I can make your night. Come on baby, what's good, what's good? East Coast, I'm all about it. On the other side, but I think I like it. Hit me up whenever you're on your phone. I promise you'll never feel alone. It gets harder and harder the farther you get. But our love is still solid, our paths have been set. Circled and tied like the first day that we met. You know that distance kills me and that's why I love you to death. Feeling alright. Hope you're feeling just good. I can make your night. Come on baby, what's good, what's good? Hope you're feeling alright. Hope you're feeling just good. I can make your night. Come on baby, what's good, what's good? Hope you're feeling alright. Hope you're feeling just good. I can make your night. Come on baby, what's good, what's good? Hope you're feeling alright. Hope you're feeling just good. I can make your night. Come on baby, what's good, what's good? West Coast got me feeling some type of way. The way the sun shines most of the day. Sunny D with me, I can't complain, cause every day I want you in the worst way. I don't even care what my friends say, even though you treat me in the worst way. I don't even care what your friends say, cause you know you want me all day, feeling alright. me up whenever you're on your phone. I promise you'll never feel alone. It gets harder and harder the farther you get, but our love is still solid, our paths have been set, circled and tied like the first day that we met.